Welcome to my kettlebell chest, legs, and cardio full body workout. We're jumping right into it, 15 minutes right into it. We're going to start out with chest presses, 5 and 5, squats, and swings. So get your bell. We'll go right into our chest presses. So you want the bell on your side here. You're going to, like you're doing a get up, bring it to the right up here, and you're going to engage your core. Then we're going to go 5 presses, then we'll switch sides. Here we go. Get ready, set, go. 1, 2, pull down, 3, 4, control it down, 5, sit down soft, safely, flip around, we're going other side, all right, same thing, pick up, get up style, roll it, engage your abs, 5 presses, go, 1, 2, 3, control it down, 4, 5. Set it down, lay it out to the side. All right, now we're jumping right into our goblet squats. So I want you to hypo catch that bell, okay? Then we're going to go into 5 strong, excellent technique goblet squats. Right, bow by your toes. Here we go, 10 seconds. And hypo catch it up. Up. All right, 5 good squats. Here we go. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, 1 more, here we go, down, up, 5, good. All right, shake it out. 30 seconds, then we go swing. All right, shake that out. All right, so swings, we're going 5 as well. 5 swings, 5 presses, 5, 5, 5. 15 minutes, knock it out. All right, so on your kettlebell swing, make sure you set up right. All right, take this time in between, foot space away from that bell. How about your size? Even 2 foot spaces if you need to. All right, if you're using a mat, like I am, give yourself enough space. Make sure the bell and you are on the mat. All right, here we go. 5 swings, let's knock it out. Ready, set, and 5 swings. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Shake it out. Good. It's a bit quick one. 15 minutes in and out. All right. Shake that out. About 30 seconds between each set. We're going to rest. So you rested and your technique is high quality. Always, always, always. Never sacrifice quality to get more in. All right, so give yourself a little more rest here after a set of swings. You want the heart rate coming down. So 20 seconds, and then we'll get into our chest presses. What I want you to think about is when you're pressing that bell, you're driving that forward, driving up with that gripping that bell and rotating slightly, palm down at the top. That's going to activate more of your chest, all right? Let's do it. So, all right, off to the side of the bell. Get up style, pick it up to the side. All right, roll it. All right, before you press it, engage your core. Squeeze this other fist. Lower back on the ground. Here we go. Up and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull down and 5. 5. Good. Roll it to the side. All right, flip around. Switch sides. Here we go. It's a little bit tricky on a yoga mat, but hey, you use what you got. All right, here we go. Let's try to do an indoor one today. All right, here we go. Roll it. All right, abs engaged. Holding that bell. Squeeze the other fist. Abs tight. Go. 1. Keep your hat on. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Good. Let it down. Good. Shake that out. Nice work. All right. Next up, you know what we got? We got swings. All right. Shake that out. Shake it out. Make sure when you're doing your swings, you're pulling yourself down with your legs. You're not dropping. You're pulling. Control. Pause. Power it up. All right. Here we go. Hypo catch that bell, nice and strong. All right, let's go. Get ready. Bow by your toes. Here we go. Hypo catch, 5 swings. Do it together. Let's go. Up. 5 squats. Not 5 swings, 5 squats, I meant. Here we go. Down. Up. Drive your knees out. Heels towards each other. Keep those knees out. Down. Up. 2. Down. Up. 3. Down. Up. 4. Control. Down. Up. 5. Good. Shake it out. Nice work. Getting it. Getting it. Good job. Yeah, so as we're resting, you're shaking it out. Move around. Don't sit down. Your heart rate's up. Take your air in slow through the nose, out through the nose slow. Get your heart rate down. Get that oxygen in. All right, so swing's coming up. So real quick on that squat though, I want you to make sure when you come down, all right, I said knees out. So what you're gonna do is drive your heels together like you're corkscrewing them together in the ground. That's gonna activate the lateral part of your quad. Vastus lateralis, that's gonna fire, and your IT, it's gonna fire that outside part of your leg. That's gonna keep the knees out, keep it from bowing in, all right? Just wanted to make that note while it was on my mind, so when we get into our next set of squats, you can knock it out. All right, guess what time it is? Swing time, here we go. You set that bell up right, foot spaced away. Here we go. Activate those abs always. Slight crunch, down, 5 swings, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice, shake that out. We're getting it done, making our way. About halfway there already. Enjoy this rest period, enjoy this time. And just brief amount of rest before we get into our chest press. All right. You don't want to lay down right away. Oh, my timer stopped. You don't want to lay down right away with your chest presses. The reason for that is your heart rate's too high. Let it come down, shake it out, move around. All right, my timer stopped. Hopefully I'm around 15 minutes. That's the goal. All right, here we go. So again, you want to make sure your heart rate comes down first. With slow breathing. That's why I give about 30 seconds or so before we go into our next set. All right, before we lay down. So, all right, so like I said, get up style. Get used to that when you're doing a chest press. I have a video on how to do the 1-arm chest press here. You can check that out after this video. For now, let me show you how to get that done. So by your side, by your hip, you're gonna roll it, both hands. Then you're in that position here, right? Ready? Abs engaged. Squeeze that bell. 5 presses. Pack that shoulder down and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 1. 5. Good. Roll it down. All right, switch sides. All right, here we go. Other side. Set up. Left. Roll. All right. Squeeze that handle. Abs tight. Squeeze this fist. Here we go. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just pause at the bottom with your elbow. Don't rest it. Just tap. And 5. And pause. Set it down. All right. Making our way. Getting it done. Shake it out. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Squats coming up. So remember what I told you about the squat. As you come down, as you pull yourself down, right, chest up. Before you come up, all right, you want your knees coming out. Drive those heels in to create that tension and the activation of the outside of your quad, your lateral part of your quad, all right? That's going to keep the knees out. As you come in, drive your heels in, drives them out, keeps them from bowing in, keeps your knees safe, all right? All right, now's your chance to do that. Here we go. 5 reps. Ready, set. Here we go. Set and down, up, 1, down, up, 2, abs tight, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, last one, nice and strong, down, up, nice. Getting it done. Good work. Shake it out. Woo. All right. Awesome job. Awesome job. Love these quick workouts with the bell. You can get it in. No excuses. You can always get a workout in. All right. This is going to be a 15-minute workout. If you want an even shorter workout, 10 minutes. I made that for when you're short on time. You want to get your workout in. You only have 10 minutes. You have a bell. You can get it in. Grab that in the description or shoot me KB10 in the comments. I'll shoot that over to you. Absolutely free. Grab that so you can always have a workout in your pocket on your phone so you can knock it out. All right. All right. Speaking of knocking it out, let's knock out these 5 swings here. All right. Here we go. Set up. Abs tight. I want you to practice your engaging that core. Again, I have a video on how to do the two-arm swing. Break it down from beginning to end. Right here, you can check that out in the description after this workout. Here we go. Set. 5 swings and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Just enough, just enough. Shake it out. Awesome work. Awesome work. All right, 30-second rest and we'll go back to presses. Got about 2 more rounds, or 1 more round of each left, and we're done. All right, shake that out, shake that out. Grab a sip of water. I'm gonna check my timer here real quick because my timer did stop. All right, we're at 12 minutes. All right, so yeah, right on. Lost about 15 seconds. No worries. All right, we're jumping right into it. So remember, when you do your press, control. Activation of the chest. If you can rotate, as my watch flips here, if you rotate your palm slightly down towards your hip, that's going to activate your chest on the top of the press. Not full palm, just quarter angle, like 45 degrees, right? Because when you internally rotate, all right, that activates the chest. So at the top of your press, do that. Here we go. Let's go. 5 presses. Get set up right by that bell. Roll it. Oh, that's why. That's why I had my watch the other way. Now I remember. I'm going to break my watch here. All right, here we go. Grab it. Roll. Abs tight. Go. 1. Palm slightly under your waist. 2. 3. 4. 1 more. 5. Nice. Nice. If you have a watch, Apple Watch, whatever, make sure you flip it around. The bell will break it. Here we go. All right, next one. Set, roll, abs tight, squeeze that fist, go. 1, 2, 3, power breathe it all the way up. 4, 5. Always control it down. Good. Roll it down. Stand up. Shake it out. All right. All right. We got to shake it out. We're almost there. Put my coat in. Forgot my coat here. All right. So we're almost there. Let's finish strong. All right. We got 1 set of squats, 5. 1 set of swings, 5. Done. On with your day. Checked up. Did your workout. Celebrate that win. All right. So let's get right into it. All right. Hypo catch that bell, right up over that bell. Nice and strong. 5 squats together. Let's finish strong together. Let's go. Up. All right. And squat down. Up. 1. Down. Pull down. Up. 3. Down. Up. 4. Last one. Down. Powered up. 5. Nice. Awesome job. Shake that out. All right, 30 seconds. Knock out our set of 5 swings, then you're done. On with your day. Celebrate this win. All right, shake it out. You can always get a workout in, always. No excuses. If you have a bell, you have some space. I made some space here today. Usually I'm training out of my garage gym, but today I'm inside. Just wanted to try it out. Have to move stuff around, but hey, as long as you have some space like this, 1 kettlebell, you can get it done. No excuses. All right, let's knock it out. 5 swings. Let's finish strong. Together, set, and swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! That's it. Nice job. Thanks for showing up, getting it done. Pat yourself on the back for getting that done today for yourself, because you got it in 15 minutes. You could have been scrolling on Instagram, been on Facebook, but you did a workout and you showed up for yourself. Excellent job. Thanks for showing up with me, training hard with me. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, if you want a even shorter workout, 10 minutes, you can grab that here or KB10 in the comments, absolutely free. Check out my next video here. Kettlebell swing, chest press, goblet squat. I'm an awesome day, train strong. Continue to get after it. Expect success. You're going to get there. Train strong.